Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're into smartwatches, you're in for a treat because OnePlus is gearing up to launch its next-generation wearable, the OnePlus Watch 3, sooner than you might expect. In a surprising move, OnePlus has officially announced the launch date, setting it just ahead of its competitors. So let's dive deep into everything you need to know about this upcoming smartwatch, from its design, features, battery life, and software to how it stacks up against rivals like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and even the Garmin Venu 4. OnePlus Watch 3. Release date and availability. Mark your calendars. The OnePlus Watch 3 is set to debut on February 18th, just days before Oppo's Watch X2. This early release date is a strategic move by OnePlus to grab attention before the competition heats up. The launch will take place globally, with availability in North America, Europe, and Canada. But exact regional pricing details are still under wraps. However, given that the OnePlus Watch 2 debuted at $299, we can expect the Watch 3 to hover around a similar price point, possibly with slight adjustments based on enhancements. Premium design with a functional digital crown. OnePlus has seriously upped its design game with the OnePlus Watch 3, making it a strong contender against premium wearables like the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Series 10. This smartwatch will be available in two stunning versions: Emerald Titanium and Obsidian Titanium. The watch case is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, with a titanium bezel for added durability. The sapphire crystal display ensures scratch resistance, making it perfect for everyday wear and even intense workouts. Unlike its predecessor, the Watch 3 features a fully functional digital crown, allowing users to navigate effortlessly by twisting and clicking, something that adds a classic meets modern touch to its interface. And let's talk about comfort. The 22mm quick-release rubber straps allow for easy swapping, ensuring that users can customize their look without the hassle of tiny tools. Whether you're in the office, at the gym, or out on an adventure, the OnePlus Watch 3 is designed to adapt to any setting. Battery life. A game changer. OnePlus knows that battery life is a key concern for smartwatch users, and they're delivering a major upgrade in this department. The OnePlus Watch 3 packs a massive 631 mAh battery, significantly larger than the 500 mAh found in the OnePlus Watch 2. Smart mode, up to 5 days on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Power saver mode, an incredible 16 days, meaning you might only need to charge it twice a month if you're using minimal features. For comparison, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 last around 2 to 3 days with regular use, making OnePlus's power efficiency stand out. Thanks to an optimized antenna and better power management, this watch ensures that battery drain is minimized even when searching for a signal. Performance. Dual chipset. Dual OS power. Under the hood, the OnePlus Watch 3 retains the dual processor and dual OS setup that made its predecessor a powerhouse. It combines the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset for handling demanding tasks with the BS2800 coprocessor, which takes care of low-power operations like notifications and step tracking. This setup allows for seamless performance, ensuring that you get fast app response times, smooth animations, and efficient battery usage. It's a strategy similar to what we've seen in high-end wearables like the Garmin Epix Pro and Pixel Watch 3, but OnePlus optimizes it specifically for Oxygen OS Watch, their in-house software platform. Health and fitness features. Competing with the best. OnePlus is packing the Watch 3 with a robust set of health and fitness tracking features, aiming to compete with brands like Garmin, Apple, and Fitbit. Advanced heart rate monitoring with improved accuracy. SpO2 blood oxygen tracking for better health insights. ECG capabilities, rumored but not confirmed yet. Comprehensive sleep tracking with AI-powered insights. VO2 max and recovery metrics for serious athletes. GPS tracking with improved route mapping and precision. Over 110 sports modes, including HIIT, swimming, cycling, and hiking. OnePlus is positioning the Watch 3 as a high-performance fitness companion, rivaling the likes of the Garmin Fenix 8, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Pro. Whether you're a casual user or a fitness enthusiast, this smartwatch offers advanced tracking and real-time data analysis to optimize your workouts. Smart features and connectivity. A smarter experience. OnePlus isn't just focusing on fitness. The Watch 3 comes packed with smart features that make everyday life more convenient. Bluetooth calling with crystal clear audio. built-in speaker and microphone for quick responses on the go, Google Assistant and Alexa integration, NFC payments for tap-and-go convenience, 5 ATM water resistance and IP68 rating, making it swim-proof and dust-resistant, music storage and offline playback, perfect for workouts without a phone. OnePlus is working on seamless integration with OnePlus smartphones, meaning better app sync, notifications, and even potential cross-device connectivity with their rumored OnePlus Pad 2. Final thoughts. Should you get the OnePlus Watch 3? If you're looking for a smartwatch that combines premium design, long battery life, advanced fitness tracking, and smart features, the OnePlus Watch 3 is shaping up to be an excellent choice. Compared to Samsung, Apple and Garmin, OnePlus offers a more budget-friendly premium smartwatch with longer battery life and a sleek, high-end aesthetic. However, pricing and final software optimizations will determine if it's truly the best alternative to flagship wearables. So, will you be picking up the OnePlus Watch 3 when it launches on February 18th? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on the latest tech. Stay tuned for more on Techno Trend Zone.